Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 530d M Sport. Now we do have 4 superb 20-inch alloy wheels in a superb condition, and we also have the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Now we do have LED headlights, black kidney grills, M Sport standing kit which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also rear diffuser. And there's a look at another alloy wheel. Now we do have the M Performance decals on the side skirts, as well with black window trim, privacy glass on the rear, and we also have a shark fin antenna. And there's a look at another superb alloy wheel. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors. Also we have dual exhaust flush with the rear bumper and rear diffuser. We also have a power assisted release tailgate with a nice spacious sized boot, with storage net on the left hand side with storage just there as well. And we also have a storage bin just down there as well. Now popping that back down. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. And there's a look at the last alloy wheel. Now going to the rear of the car, we do have leather seats throughout. We also have pull down soft touch leather armrests with 2 nice size cup holders pop out just there. Now we have ISOFIX points just down there as well. Now we do have the white seam, and we also have the white stitching and white accents just there. We also have storage behind the driver and passenger seat, vents in the centre, as well as storage and 12-volt connectivity. On the doors we do have the BMW individual trim just there with ambient lighting just underneath. We have the leather just there as well with the white stitching. We also have the electric windows there as well. Now going to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full leather front seat, which is heated and electric. And there's a look at that very comfortable full leather seat. Now we do have the BMW individual trim just there as well with the ambient lighting. We have electric windows just down here as well, and then we have the button to release the rear tailgate. Now jumping inside the car, just down there we do have the auto light function. Now foot on the brake, we do have keyless start just there as well. Now this vehicle has done just over there we go. This vehicle has done just over 22,690 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. Now we do have the instrument cluster which changes colour, so when you put it into sport it then has that different look, and then put it into comfort and then Eco Pro, it does have the different looks. Now coming down to the multi-function steering wheel, we do have cruise control and speed limiter just on the left hand side there. Then we have your different modes there as well, where you have volume, voice control, phone commands, and we have the mode where you can change through DAB radio and media connectivity. We have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode, and we also have auto lights just behind there as well. Now coming to the centre screen, now it is a touch screen, as you can see just there. We do have media connectivity, where we have DAB radio. Scroll across, we do have FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, USB. Then we do have Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. We have the satellite navigation, and then we have nav as well. Now we do have different drive modes, where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, and also Sport. Now if I go home, you can also scroll through those as well, where you can have connected drive, where you can connect your phone via Bluetooth, and you can also have an app which connects to the car. Now if I pop the car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there, as you can see. Now coming down here, we do have the dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to. Now we do have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings really does make all the difference. Now we also do have ice cold aircon just there as well. Now we do have the BMW individual trim just there again. And then in here we do have a bit of storage with USB. We also have the ambient lighting just underneath, you can see it reflecting off my hand. We do have 2 nice size cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. Oh, closing that back up again, and then you can also put stuff up there as well. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen for when you're not using it as touchscreen. So you also have the touchpad on the top, which you can zoom in and out of the map, as you can see just there. Now you have your traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select. You can turn parking sensors on and off as well. Electric parking brake with auto hold, and then we have the soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather front seat. with extended thigh support if you may need it, and the driver also has that extended thigh support. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do have competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.
Video test drive for this BMW 530D. Now, the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. So starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise button, push up, and we're now cruising at our current speed. I can adjust the speed very easily with this trigger in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5. And then to deactivate this, I can simply press cruise control and we're back to manual control. Now, I can also do that by pressing the brake too. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, down to 4th, back to 5th, 6th and 7th. And as you can tell, through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now, we are going to be taking a left at this roundabout as if you were here with me today, and it's definitely worth mentioning the comfort of this vehicle. So we've got the full black Dakota leather interior with the exclusive seam, which gives it a very luxurious feel and look. Incredibly comfortable. We've got our infotainment screen here with plenty of features: satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, etc. Heated seats as well. We've got some good performance figures too. You're talking around 261 horsepower, which will reach you 0 to 60 in around 5.7 seconds. So it's certainly no slouch either. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now, we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares, and we really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works as it should. So emergency braking in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse, front and rear parking sensors with visual display, all working as they should as well. Now, we are just about to go over a speed bump, so listen out for any sounds. There we go, and as you can tell, no knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you wish to view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed, and I'll be online photos, the video test drive, or the video walk around, then feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on this occasion. Thank you for watching, and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.